This is our future that we are fighting.
At Parliament, it is at high speed. I'm here standing at the Parliament.
People want to demonstrate. Demonstration is their right. Okay.
Omwami oyo ku Parliament yasoose okubanga asimatuka abasirikale n'atuukawo era bw'alaze ebiwandiiko bye ekididde kubanga bamwanise kabangali ono ne bamugjawo. Buli omu bagezako kubanga bamukwata agezaako okutabangula eddembe eri abantu abakulu era nga awe nnyini nja kusaba video gipeleka kati. Okwekalakasa mu kibuga Kampala awo abavubuka b'ennansana bagambye ekimala kimala naffe ab'ennansana katugende mpaka ku Parliament. Awo nno ayigwa amanyi bulungi ku Yesu amala awose okubanga ogamba nti bano bagambye nti nedda naffe katugende ku Parliament tukooye obulemeguzi mu ggwanga Uganda. Sheikh Ashraf ewasembayawo abamu nga bakwatibwa firimu ebadde wali ogenda kutugende nga Sheikh Ashraf ye musomi wa dduwa era ng'akugamba nti asooka osomereddwako akalanga akakali waggulu naawe noba ng'oteera kati n'abawanda bwe bagamba nti bwe yagala okuyiga kola ssente online baakuteddewo courses okusobola okulaba ng'ate byonna bitambulira ddala bulungi nnyo kati bakubireko okumanya ebisingawo ku Parliament. Embeera yo ekyali ya bunkenke olw'ensonga abantu ab'enjawulo abagezaako okulaba nga basabotaginga enteekateeka z'abakuumaddembe bano bakwatibwa era abamu ne bakubwa. Njagala olabe nga abamu bakwatiddwa ekibeerawo.
My name is Gift Grace. Anita must resign. My name is Gift Grace. Anita must resign.
What?
Tugudde nno ku Lop Joel Ssenyonyi ono nno naye y'omu akubagamba nti yes abantu babawe eddembe lyabwe basobola kuba nga batuuka wano kati ye agambye ali ku Parliament mbu agenda kubanga abategekera ekyemisana bonna abanagezaako kubanga bayita ku bakuumaddembe naye nga ogenda ayita wawali. Joel Ssenyonyi yandibanga ali mu kusaganya gawulira ebigambo bye wadde nga naye abadde aliko ebigambo ebimujwetekako nti ono yabba akawumbi kamu mu obukadde 7. Joel Ssenyonyi agamba nti abeekalakaasa bwe batuuka ku Parliament bamanyi ofiisi ye agenda kuba bategekedde ekyemisana.
For a very long time we have been talking about corruption here at Parliament, corruption in many institutions of government, and government has been paying lip service. They only talk and say we are going to crack the whip, we are going to take action and so on, and not much ever gets to happen. The young people have risen up and said, you know what, enough is enough. We cannot just keep hearing talk, and not much gets to happen, and so they're rising up peacefully. It is their right. In fact, for us at Parliament, we are waiting for them. Because you see, the other day, there are some protesters that came apparently to protest against Honorable Sechikubo, and they were welcomed and ushered in, which is okay. They had their placards and so on. So even we here, we have been saying, let those young people come and raise their concerns here peacefully. Okay, so we are waiting for them. We are hoping they will be ushered in properly. We have been seeing, of course, some have been clubbered downtown and so on. These are peaceful young people who are saying they're raising their voices peacefully. That should be allowable. And by the way, if you don't want to listen to them peacefully, if you don't want to press young people against the wall so much and then discover when it's too late. In Kenya, William Ruto woke up when it was too late, when they were already angry and agitated and so on. You don't have to wait for that. Listen to them. They're not coming to fight. They're coming to share their grievances, which is a welcome thing. Oh,
Let me jump on my own, okay? No, let me. What is your name? Eria Nawenue. Eria Nawenue, human rights lawyer. Eria Nawenue.
Everyone is corrupt in offices, RDCs, CAO district, each and everything. Everything is corrupt. I'm here demonstrating at the parliament so that Ugandans, it is our voice to come out. This is our voice.
Are you making? What are your demands? Edia, who are you? Edia, soko tukema suspense.
Chino